This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71. It's an LT, but it has the All-Star package as well as the LT Plus package on it. It has that rainforest green metallic paint. So when the sun's on it, you can see it pops really bright green, looks really good. Has the open country mud terrain tires with the 20-inch fuel rims. Got a ton of tread left on these. They're 33 by 1250 R20 LTs. It's got the carpet wheel well liners. There's your Z71. It's got a pinstripe down the side. You have your chrome 6-inch wide running boards. It has a spray-in bed liner on the power sliding rear glass. You have a backup camera. There's Bluetooth. You have your radio. It has OnStar navigation. A bunch of settings that you can go through and change. Climate, air quality. There's your collision system, your park assist. You can turn that on or off. You have the dual zone automatic climate control. Rear window defrost. Has the power adjustable pedals, part of the LT Plus package. You have a little storage tray here with your 12 volt and your 110 outlet. Here's your Bluetooth. It has 113,370 miles on it. Cruise control. Has a trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, automatic headlights. Up top, you have your LED map lights, built-in garage door opener. There's your power sliding rear glass. And you have a little sunglass holder here. You have the child locks for the windows and doors. Just push button. Power locks windows and side mirrors. It's got the black cloth seats. See the power driver seat. Got the rubber floor mats. Your Z71 door sill plates. There's your rear window defrost. Armrest with your cup holders. And on the back of the console there is a 12 volt outlet. Has the tilt-in telescope steering column. Got a locking glove box up top with a USB port here in the corner. And then you got your owner's manual inside on the bottom. This also has the OnStar with the 4G LTE Wi-Fi. You got your flip up console here. Some extra storage underneath, and this is a locking compartment as well. Lots of different active pages you can turn on or off. Tire pressure monitor, fuel economy, timers, engine hours, transmission fluid temps, trailer brake status, off-road menus, all that good stuff. Digital speedometer, there's your off-road menu, trailer brake status.